Hi friends, today we'll do a quick unboxing of Abronix wireless mouse which I ordered from PTM. It's pretty cheap, I just got this for 270 bucks. Looks decent mouse as you can see, and this is a 6-button mouse. The scroll wheel is nice quality. It has the CPI button. A good plasticky decent build, I'd say. It comes with this dongle and yeah, good for the price actually. And yeah, so the forward back button, this logo, so it has a good tactile feel, really light, and yeah, the quality is fine. It takes 2 pencil seals, yeah, I like the overall look. So let me insert this batteries and we'll do a quick test here. So 2 pencil cell batteries, and there goes this flap. The build quality is fine for the price that we are paying. Looks good, decent. The weight is also fine now after the cells are there. But yeah, you can't compare with anything like Logitech or Microsoft or obviously MS Mouse Master Series. Okay, let's test this out. So I'll insert this dongle, and yeah, immediately the dongle got detected. Let me switch on. Yeah, here it is. So yeah, out of box it works, no installation of drivers, nothing. Good thing is it has this power saving feature. Once you remove the dongle, it will auto switch off. Insert the dongle, it will automatically switch on. So really good mouse for this price we pay. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe. Bye.